Hamster Kombat Warriors. Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of crypto and gaming. Today, we're talking about the massive surge in the price of our favorite token, HMSTR. With a plus 94.28% boost in the last 24 hours, this token is taking off like a rocket. But the big question is this just a temporary pump, or are we about to see an extended bull run? Should you hold or sell? And what can you expect as we head into Season 2 of Hamster Kombat? Let's dive right in. Let's break down exactly what's happening in the market right now. As of today, November 10th, the global cryptocurrency market cap stands at $361.94 million, which is a significant rise of plus 104.41% in just the past 24 hours. Such a drastic increase indicates a massive influx of capital and renewed investor interest across the entire crypto market. But what does this mean specifically for the Hamster Kombat token, HMSTR? Currently, HMSTR is trading at $0.0056013, showing a robust upward momentum. What's really interesting is the sheer volume of trades we're witnessing, over $1.46 billion in trading volume in just one day. This volume is not something you see every day, especially for a token that ranks 213 by market cap. This level of trading activity suggests that HMSTR has caught the attention of both retail and institutional investors, and it's being heavily traded across major exchanges. The spike in volume is a clear signal of increased demand, and this surge is helping push the price higher. Now, let's talk about the price range. In the last 24 hours alone, HMSTR's price reached a high of $0.0059137.5, while the lowest point touched was $0.002888454. This kind of price fluctuation within such a short time frame indicates extreme market volatility. For those who are new to trading, volatility like this can be both an opportunity and a risk. It can lead to significant gains for those who time their trades well, but it can also result in heavy losses for anyone caught on the wrong side of the market swing. So, what's driving this wild price action? Here are some key factors. Massive buying pressure. The dramatic increase in price can largely be attributed to a surge in buying pressure. With a circulating supply of 64.38 billion HMSTR coins, there's ample liquidity, but the recent buying frenzy has created a supply shock, where demand far exceeds the available tokens for sale. This mismatch between supply and demand has pushed the price up rapidly. Short covering by traders. Another important aspect to consider is short covering. Many traders who were betting against the token may have been forced to buy back their positions as the price started rising, leading to a snowball effect. When a large number of short sellers are forced to cover their positions, it can lead to a rapid price increase, known as a short squeeze. This seems to be one of the underlying factors contributing to the recent surge in HMSTR's price. Strong market sentiment. The broader market sentiment has shifted towards optimism. After a prolonged bearish trend in the crypto market, we're starting to see a rebound, and tokens like HMSTR are riding this wave. Positive news, such as potential regulatory clarity, new exchange listings, or partnerships, can have a huge impact on investor confidence, driving more people to invest and hold the token. Influence of recent all-time low. It's important to note that just a week ago, on November 3rd, HMSTR hit its all-time low of $0.002263326. This significant dip created a buying opportunity for investors who saw it as an undervalued entry point. The bounce back from this low, combined with the current rally, suggests a classic market cycle of recovery after hitting a bottom. Traders who bought the dip are likely driving some of this upward momentum as they capitalize on the price increase. Increased exchange accessibility. HMSTR's listing on multiple major exchanges has enhanced its accessibility. The token is now available on popular platforms like OKX and Binance, where it can be easily bought and sold by a large audience. When a token is listed on major exchanges, it often leads to a surge in trading activity, as new investors get access and trading pairs increase liquidity. This has been a crucial factor in boosting the trading volume and price of HMSTR. Now, let's dive into the million-dollar question. Will this rally continue, or are we witnessing a temporary spike before a sharp pullback? From our analysis so far, it's clear that the recent price surge in HMSTR isn't happening in a vacuum. It seems to be part of a broader upward trend we're observing across the crypto market. However, if you've been in the crypto space for a while, you know that volatility is the name of the game. It's crucial to understand both the opportunities and the risks that come with this kind of price action. Let's look at the bigger picture. The all-time high of HMSTR was recorded on September 26, 2024, at $0.0072221. We're currently trading just below that level at $0.005604113, and it's not unrealistic to expect another attempt at breaking this previous high if the momentum continues. On the flip side, we also saw HMSTR hit its all-time low, ATL, of $0.002263326 as recently as November 3, just a week ago. The rapid rebound from this low demonstrates the unpredictable swings that are common in this market, highlighting the need for both caution and strategic timing. Factors that could sustain the rally. Market momentum and trading volume. One of the most reliable indicators of a sustained rally is strong trading volume. Right now, HMSTR's volume stands at $1.46 billion, a massive figure for a token ranked 213 by market cap. If this level of volume continues or even increases, it's a good sign that the rally might hold. Volume is often seen as the fuel that powers price movements. When the volume dries up, it's usually a precursor to a trend reversal or a price pullback. So, if you're holding HMSTR or planning to buy in, keep an eye on the trading volume across major exchanges like OKX and Binance. Positive market sentiment. Market sentiment has a huge impact on crypto prices, especially for tokens like HMSTR that have a large retail following. We're currently in a phase where investor confidence is rising, largely due to recent price recoveries in major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This renewed optimism can have a spillover effect, boosting smaller tokens as well. However, sentiment can change rapidly, so it's important to gauge how the community feels, particularly on social media platforms and crypto forums. A shift in sentiment could lead to sudden sell-offs. Upcoming events and Season 2 of Hamster Kombat. Another reason to be optimistic about the rally continuing is the upcoming Season 2 of Hamster Kombat. The developers have hinted at new features, rewards, and possibly even updates to the game's tokenomics. These changes could drive more interest and engagement from players, leading to increased demand for the HMSTR token. If you've been following the project, you know that previous seasons and updates have often led to spikes in trading volume and price. So, it might be worth participating in the next season to capitalize on these potential gains. Red flags to watch out for. Drop in trading volume or market interest. If we start seeing a decline in trading volume, this could indicate that the rally is losing steam. Low volume means fewer buyers and sellers are participating, which often leads to price stagnation or even a reversal. Keep a close eye on the volume data, particularly during the next few days. If you notice a sharp decline, it might be time to reconsider your position or take profits. Regulatory news or macro trends. The broader crypto market is highly sensitive to news, especially regarding regulations. Any major announcements, whether they're about tighter regulations, new policies, or macroeconomic changes, could impact not just HMSTR but the entire crypto ecosystem. For example, stricter regulatory measures or a major market correction in Bitcoin could trigger a sell-off across the board. Stay informed and be prepared to adjust your strategy based on new developments. Profit taking by early investors. With the recent price surge, there's a good chance that early investors might start taking profits, especially those who bought in when the token hit its all-time low last week. If we see a wave of selling from these early buyers, it could create a temporary drop in price. However, this doesn't necessarily mean the end of the rally. Often, after an initial profit-taking phase, the market stabilizes and new buyers step in, providing fresh momentum for the next leg up. Final thoughts. Should you hold, buy, or sell? The decision to hold, buy, or sell depends on your risk tolerance and investment strategy. If you're a long-term holder, you might want to wait it out and see if HMSTR breaks its previous at. On the other hand, if you're a short-term trader, it could be wise to lock in some profits given the recent spike, especially if you notice the trading volume starting to decline. For those on the sidelines considering whether to buy, keep an eye on the broader market sentiment and upcoming news about Season 2 of Hamster Kombat, as these could be key catalysts for further price action. In the next segment, we'll dive deeper into what to expect from Season 2 of Hamster Kombat and whether it's worth getting involved now, given the current market dynamics. Stay tuned, because this could be the make or break moment for HMSTR's next big move. Now, let's talk about Season 2 of Hamster Kombat. With the price surge and hype building up, many of you might be wondering if you should dive into Season 2. Here's my take: new rewards and challenges. Season 2 promises exclusive rewards, including limited edition NFTs and bonus achievements that could boost your earnings. Increased earning potential. If you play strategically, the increased token price means your in-game rewards could be worth even more in dollar value. Community events. Expect more events and tournaments as the developers look to capitalize on the increased interest. This could provide extra opportunities for experienced players to maximize their profits. So, my advice: if you've been successful in Season 1 or are looking for a new challenge, Season 2 is definitely worth trying out. Just remember to play safely and avoid getting caught up in the hype. This is the million-dollar question. Should you hold on to your HMSTR tokens, or is it time to sell and lock in profits? Here's what you need to consider. If you're long-term bullish, holding could be a good move, especially if you believe in the project's potential and are excited for Season 2 and beyond. The current rally could just be the beginning if the game continues to grow. If you're looking to take profits, there's nothing wrong with securing some gains, especially after a nearly 100% price increase. You might want to sell a portion of your holdings and keep the rest as a hedge in case the price continues to rise. Diversify your portfolio. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Consider spreading your investments across multiple assets to manage your risk. Alright, folks, that's my in-depth analysis of the current HMSTR price action. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you holding, selling, or diving into Season 2 with full force? Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more updates, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, play smart, stay safe, and keep on combating. See you in the next video.